Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio cast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Banerjee. Global cues are quite positive. If you ignore the Chinese market or the Chinese linked market like Hong Kong and others, it's doing pretty fine. US markets had rallied overnight. The US bond yields are softer. Dollar index is largely flat, but dollar is rising against the Chinese currency. Because that is understandable because China ka economic condition is bad. So that strength in the dollar is understandable. और जिसका एक negative impact is flowing into other Asian currencies, including the rupee. Indian rupee और USDINR 82, 81 के आसपास hover कर रहा है offshore में spot reference में. If it opens here, then the futures could open around 82, 87, 88 levels. Now the question is how to trade because it is becoming tricky to trade the USDINR. Because जब तक 83 के ऊपर ये breakout दे नहीं रहा है convincingly, then to say that to buy at the current levels is not easy because it can any moment give you a pullback, and the risk reward is also not very attractive because you will get 10 to 20 paisa gains and you could risk almost a 1 rupee kind of a loss, right? So 83 के ऊपर जाके spot sustain हो रहा है, then it's a clear cut breakout because इतने बार false breakout or false break means the impression of a breakout and a breakdown has happened, at least the anticipation last 11 महीना में, that it doesn't make sense to go ahead and buy just before a resistance. Like it did not make sense to go ahead and sell just before a support. तो इसके लिए if you are looking to build a short position, then have a stop patiently above 83 levels. Positional का मैं बात कर रहा हूँ कि 83 के ऊपर spot जाके sustain हो रहा है, then you exit your shots and look for long positions. तब तक you can carry your shots and you can express that view either through futures. But if you don't want to take the hassle of futures and a higher stop loss, what you can do, you can use out of money put options. So that you can do. क्योंकि if it pulls back towards 82 levels like it has done so many times over the past 11 months, जब ये 83 के आसपास जाके it has extinguished the whole upward momentum has extinguished. वो 82 के तरफ pullback has happened in different manners over the last 11 months. कभी-कभी the pullback has been very fast. मतलब let's say in a week's time it has pulled back from 82, 80, 82, 70 levels all the way down to 81, 80, like it did over the past 1.5 months. And sometimes it has taken almost a month to just top out between 82.5 and 82.80. So इसलिए it's very hard to say that if this pullback actually happens and not a breakout, तो वो कितना time लगेगा. If it starts to break down, we will see gap down moves. इसके लिए, if you want to take a positional bet and a short bet, then what you can do is you can use an out of money put. Then your risk will be defined, and considering the overall implied volatility is low, your risk will also be low. And then you can hold the position and play it out. Intraday traders के लिए तो फिलहाल you can use option scalping or option jobbing to express your view. Short strangle, we are still not comfortable, but if you want to do it, then keep your position sizes small or keep your focus on hedge strategies like iron flyer and iron condor. Cross currencies में euro INR, GBP INR can be range bound. The next trigger can be the US inflation report on Thursday, or yen INR can be under pressure क्योंकि dollar yen is moving up and the Japanese जो jobs report था, it was not very positive. So इसके लिए yen is under pressure. So that's it folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. Have a fantastic day ahead.